What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, I haven't done many videos on these, but these are the Airpods Pro 3. Now, my favourite case for these has been the ESR one for a long time. Uses magnets to close the lid down like so. Nice MagSafe ring on the back right here to charge it. I've been using these cases right here for my iPhone for a little bit. So one's for the iPhone Air and one is for the 17 Pro Max. These are the Arc Pulse cases and they look really good on the iPhone. Obviously the thing you've got to be worried about is there's no side protection. It's a weird crossover case, but it looks really good and it feels really good when you've got like hold of your phone and there is a bit of protection there, so it's like a minimalist type of aesthetic. This right here is the bumper case in matte black for the Airpods Pro 3 from Arc Pulse. Offers 3 meter drop protection, aerospace grade aluminium, same as the cases. Premium design material, striking appearance with aerospace grade aluminium. 360-degree protection, full body cover shielding. Now the only thing I can think with this is though it's going to come with a bit of a limitation, and I can see that limitation already without even opening the package, that it's going to be MagSafe charging. So you're going to need to wire charge with these, I assume, but I could be wrong. But either way, let's just jump in. Let's take this out. So you slide off the little cover on for the side. It's got the Arc Pulse logo in the middle in silver though, compared to the actual case boxes for the iPhones. It's only sort of, it's all white, whereas this has got a silver logo on it. Designed by Arc in the Netherlands for Airpods Pro 3. Arc Pulse, aluminium, matte black. Let's go ahead and take it out. Oh, it looks really good. Oh, it feels good too. Let's take the two pieces out. Like so. You get an accessories kit on the top right here. It's a wet wipe. Basically wipe the top to make sure it sticks down. Now I'm not going to use that because I don't know how long this will stay on and whether I'll go back to my ESR one, but it's worth testing this out. It says 3 on the inside for Airpods Pro 3. Nothing else in there, and it's going to slide in and sit in. And on the top case right here, you peel off this part. This side is to the front, so it's got a little arrow saying which side's which, so this side's going to be the front. And then you peel this off and stick to the top. Got the Arc Pulse logo on the top right here. But what I am going to do, I'm going to weigh it, and I'm also going to weigh it against the ESR case. So let's go ahead and have a look. 25 grams. So let's weigh the ESR one. That's 31 grams, so it's already a little bit lighter. But you get that aluminium feeling. So let's place this onto the top, then let's place this piece around the bottom, and just like so, and there we go. Now it's fully fitted, so let's slap it on. 79 grams with the Arc Pulse case fitted to the Airpods Pro 3. Now, I do think that looks really good. As you can see, when it comes over, when you slide it open and slam it, you sort of shut it over. But yeah, I think you do need to stick this down, because I mean that comes off super easy, and it's not like magnetic into the side right here like the ESR one. It's got magnets in the top. I think it looks really good for the aesthetic of just having the black borders around the edges of the bumper case. I think that looks fantastic. Let's go ahead. What I'll do is, to do the test, I'll bring in the Apple MagSafe battery pack, and I was wrong. It sits on. Not very well. It was definitely on there. So let's see. Slap it on. Okay, let's do a proper test. Let's bring in the Nomad base stand. So let's bring in the Nomad base stand right here. Let's slap it on. It's charging. MagSafe works. However, I don't think... Let's just test. No, it does. It works. It actually does work. It's not on there super well. Like, there is a bit of a give there, but it is charging. So it is charging through this case. There's no limitations, and that is one hell of a case for your Airpods Pro 3. I think if you're in a room and people love the tech and they love AirPods Pro 3, you will get questions about this case, believe me, because even with the iPhones, I've had many people ask me, what is on your phone? Even with, like, not so much with the iPhone Air, because the iPhone Air is matte black, and the case, the Arc Pulse case, is also matte black for the iPhone Air. But with the 17 Pro Max, with it being navy, loads of questions about the case. Like in some hotels that I've been in quite recently, because I'm away for work a lot, I've been asked that question: what is on your phone? What is that case that's on your phone? Even though it's not a case, it's just two simple little pieces. So if I show you, got the 17 Pro Max one, it is just literally same as the AirPods case, but a little bit different. It's just two simple little pieces. That's how simple and easy it is. Same for the iPhone Air, it's the same sort of design as that, but obviously the camera plateau is a bit smaller to go over that bump right there. Let me know what you think of the Arc Pulse AirPods Pro 3 case in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. I think that is absolutely fantastic, and I'm looking forward. That's going to be on my AirPods now going forward over the next couple of months or so, because I think that is absolutely superb. The lanyard cutouts right here, the speaker hole, the charge port, everything's on there. It looks great, and I think I will be sticking it down so that these are on my AirPods Pro 3 going forward. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider going for? I'll leave links to Arc Pulse in the description down below if you want to pick up the cases for the phones. They do many other designs as well for phones. I've got one coming for the S26 Ultra, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is the Arc Pulse something you would pick up for your device, whether it be for your AirPods or your actual phone? Let me know that too in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you liked this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. See you all soon, guys.